Hey you guys. What's up? Okay, so I made some bundles. Well, I started making some bundles with all the French stuff that I recently unboxed on another video. Anyway, I've gotten a ton of emails, people wanting to know, what I'm going to do with as far as bundles. So obviously, when I buy those things from her, my intention is to split it up. So, and it works out pretty well for her and for me and for you guys, and so anyway, hopefully we can continue to do that. But anyway, so I showed you the books that I got from her on just my previous video. So I'll put a link in the description if you want to see that. It was the unboxing. So what I've done is I've taken apart 5 books that I got from Forever French. And then I just pulled pages out of each one. I just did well, let me just, okay, how am I going to do this? Hold the phone. Okay. So there was the big giant one, the big green bank ledger. So you're going to get, in each of these bundles, you'll get 2 full pages. Okay. So full double pages. Wow. That's kind of a cool shot. From each of those books. One of them, actually, I did 3 pages. But anyway, so you get 2 from the big giant one, and each one is just, they're just filled with lots of writing, and that's what I always want. That's what I'm always looking for. This one, oh my gosh. So they're all different. That's kind of what I was trying to do, was make sure that there was a very distinct difference between each book as far as the style and the writing and the page color and that kind of stuff. So, and even texture. So as you can see, I think we did pretty well. Each one has just yummy writing. Some of them are from banks and some are I don't know, but and I did try using the Google Translate to figure out some of that stuff, and it's just really hard to know exactly because you don't know for sure if it's reading things correctly. But anyway, so there's 4 ledger books. Okay, so they're the big ledger books. This one was actually, I think this one was a copy book though. It was copies of letters, but it doesn't really look like copies of letters like this other one with the tissue. Anyway, so basically you'll get 8 pages from 4 different ledger books, and then I took apart 2 of my copy books. Copy, C-O-P-Y or C-O-P-I-E, however you want to spell it. One of them is full of writing. So these are so awesome for using in collage. When you glue these down, the paper, it's onion skin paper, and it just becomes transparent. And it's just really cool to layer over other images, especially flowers and things like that. So I pulled out pages that had as much writing as possible so that you could take advantage of all the handwriting that was on those. And then I had another one where it had a lot of blank pages in the back. So I pulled out a few pages from that one too. This one is the paper's a little bit thicker, but it still does the same thing. It becomes transparent when you glue it down, especially if you coat it afterwards, with a clear coat or something, or some kind of a spray. Anyway, I've done that before on videos. I think I've shown you. Anyway, so these are nice because you can do like stamping and stuff on these. Like if you have like text stamps, you know, you can stamp onto this paper, and then it works, you know, really nicely for collage. So, and then one of these ledgers, this one, had a whole bunch of other like ephemera pieces in it. They were all kind of, you know, they use these little pins to attach little relevant pieces of paper into the book. And so I just added like, you know, 2 or 3, you know, pieces of that, and also from, you know, my other collection of just old grungy cool French ephemera stuff. Anyway, so I'll add like a few pieces like that. And then I did want you to have some of the school books, so I took apart a few of them. I did one of the science ones, and then a couple of the like the French grammar books, and then of course my the French dictionary. Aren't these cool? So many. I just love all of these illustrations. So and then I did a whole signature from the little French dictionary, the real fat illustrated French dictionary. Oh, look at the little pig, so cute. Anyway, and then I gave you a couple envelopes. You guys saw the big stack of envelopes that I got from her. So I added a couple envelopes. I tried to give you ones that I thought were cool, you know. And then those envelopes, those kind of strange envelopes that I didn't really know what they had been used for. So I gave you 5 of each size. And then I thought it would be kind of fun if you want one of these bundles, I'd like to share a couple pages from this dictionary, or this page a day calendar. And so if you tell me your birthday, I'll make sure that you get your birthday, unless, you know, more than one person has the same birthday, then we'll have to talk about it. But anyway, so I'll give you your birthday, and then just another random one. I feel like I'm kind of stingy with these for some reason, but I just think they're so cool. I love the numbers, you know. And then I'll go ahead and toss in, you know, a little stack of my my little French word cards, okay, into each one of the bundles. And I think that would be really fun to play with. And I think that, you know, it's plenty if you're doing some kind of a French theme journal, or if you just want to have, you know, some really cool old French stuff to play with in your other journals, or whatever you're doing, you know. Anyway, so I'm going to do these. I'm not sure how many I can do, but I'm going to do them through PayPal, and I'm going to say $50. And yeah, so those, I think I can go ahead and ship these out media mail, so that'll keep the cost of shipping down. I would like to try to get these done and shipped out before Wednesday, because I'm actually leaving town for about 2 weeks, and I won't be here. So I'm going to try to get that done. So that means that when I send you an invoice from PayPal, let's try to get it paid before Wednesday, so I can get these shipped, preferably, you know, sooner rather than later. Anyway, and hopefully I can bring home some goodies from Seattle too. Wouldn't that be cool? Yeah, so I'll leave my email in the description, and as well as the link to the unboxing video, so you can see, you know, the flip throughs on the ledgers and stuff too. So but yeah, let me know. And then I would like to say, if you would like to have more pages, I can do additional pages from this big ledger, because that one had like 800 pages. So I can offer additional pages from this one, if you would like to have some extras. And I would say just email me and let me know how many you think you want, and then I'll tell you what that would cost. Okay, so I'm pretty reasonable, but yeah. And then at this point, I think that's the only one that I think I could offer additional pages. Maybe this one too. Hang on, let me see. Gotta make sure it's the right one. Yeah. So that one also had quite a few pages. So if you would like extra of this one, we'll call this one like the thicker page one, and then the big bank one. If you would like extras of those, let me know how many you would like, and then I'll give you a quote. Okay. Anyway, so yeah. Anyway, love you guys. Okay. Talk to you soon. Bye for now.